Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dance with Anne Leslie. And today I am going to do the tutorial for American kids. This is a 32 count, 4 wall, 1 restart, high beginner dance. The choreographer is Pelletier. I hope I'm saying that right. The music is by Kenny Chesney. Here we go. Taking the right foot, we're going to go heel together, 2 walks, right, left, and 2 taps with the right foot. One more time. We have heel together, walk, walk, tap, tap. With the counts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuing on the next 8 counts, we have a Monterey. A Monterey has a quarter of a turn in it. We're going to point the right foot out, and as we bring it in, we're going to swivel the left foot so that we're now facing 3 o'clock, and then we point the left one out, and we bring it in with a step next to our right foot. Then we're going to continue with the jazz box, cross the right over, left back, right side, take the left forward. One more time with the Monterey, we go out, in, that's the Monterey, jazz box, cross, back, whoops, side, forward. With the counts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on, we're going to take a step nice and wide to the right side, slide the left in, tap it, point it out and in, and then take a grapevine with that left foot with a quarter of a turn ending with a brush, step, behind, step, scuff. One more time, we've just done our jazz box. We're going to step to the side with the right, slide that left one in, take the left one out and in, grapevine with a quarter of a turn with a scuff. And the counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do that again and use the vocabulary. We have heel together, walk, walk, tap, tap. Monterey, jazz box, and take a slide out in, grapevine with a brush, with a quarter of a turn. And the next set of 8 counts, we are going to step forward on the right leg. We're going to hold with a clap, and then we're going to pivot, step forward on that left leg, and clap. We're going to step forward on the right leg, and clap, and do a quarter of a pivot over your left shoulder, and clap. So we have step forward, right, clap, pivot a half, clap, step forward, clap, a quarter, clap. Counts on that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the end of the dance. With the counts, we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. Ready, and heel together, walk, walk, tap, tap. Monterey, jazz box, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step it out, in, grapevine with a scuff, a step, tap, a step, tap, a step, tap, a step, tap. Then we start again. Let me do it on this wall now. So we bring our right leg in and we go heel together, walk, walk, tap, tap. Out, in, jazz box. Take a side with an out, in, grapevine with a brush, a step, clap, half, step, clap, half, quarter. There we go. Let's do it till 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel together, walk, walk, stomp, stomp. Out, in, grapevine. 1, wall 6. Wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4, wall 5, wall 6. We go all the way up to the grapevine, beg your pardon, to the box, and then we start again. So I will show you from the top at wall 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, walk, stamp, stamp. Monterey jazz box, restart. Heel together, walk, walk, tap, tap, out, in, jazz box. Slide, out, in, grapevine with a brush, forward, half, quarter. And there we have it. Remember to always slow the music, slow it down, slow the music down, the video down, and keep repeating, going over and over again. I have posted the demo, so look for it, American Kids Demo by Dance with Anne Leslie. I will be posting more dances, so please, if you have enjoyed what I've done today, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends.